Welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you 15 Linux commands you must know. They're easy, powerful, and perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Let's start with the first command, whoami. This command tells you which user is currently logged in. It's useful when you're working on a server or switching between users. Just type whoami in the terminal and press enter. You'll see your username appear. Simple, clear, and very handy to know. Let's go to the second command, ls. It shows all the files and folders in your current directory. Just type ls and you'll see the list of items. But if you type ls-la, you'll see more details, like hidden files, file size, and permissions. This command is great when you need a full view of everything in a folder. Third command, pwd, print working directory. This shows your current location in the system. Just type pwd and press enter. You'll see the full path of the folder you're in. Also, you can type pwd ~ls-la. This shows your location and the folder contents in one line. Fast and pro style. Fourth command, mkdir, make directory. This command is used to create a new folder. Just type mkdir space test dash folder, and it will make a folder named test folder. To check if it's created, type ls. It will list the files and folders. Want to clean the screen after that? Just type clear to make your terminal neat again. Fifth command, cd, change directory. We use this command to move between folders just like you do in Windows. When you enter a folder using cd, you can perform actions like creating files, deleting files, or editing them. To go inside a folder, type cd space folder name. To move back one step, use cd space double dot, that's cd. And to return to your home directory, just type cd. Simple and powerful, just like opening folders in File Explorer. Sixth command, touch. This command is used to create a new empty file. For example, to make a text file, just type touch space file.txt, that's file.txt. But you're not limited to just text files. You can also create HTML, CSS, BA, or any file type using the same command, like touchindex.html touchstyles.css. It's quick, simple, and very useful when starting new projects. Seventh command, rm, remove. This command deletes files and folders. To remove a file, type rm spacefile.txt. To remove a folder, use rm-rf space folder name. Want a safer way? Use irm-i. It will ask before deleting. Simple and powerful. Just be careful. Eighth command, nano, your terminal-based file editor. So you can use nano to create a new file or to open and edit an existing one right inside the terminal. Just type nano space file name.txt. If the file doesn't exist, it will be created. If it already exists, nano will open it for editing. Now you can start typing anything inside. When you're ready to save, press Ctrl+O, then press enter to confirm. After that, to exit nano, press Ctrl+X. That's it. A simple, clean editor. No mouse, no hassle, just you and the keyboard. Ninth command, cat, short for concatenate. It's used to quickly read the content of any text-based file. Just type cat space filename.txt. You can also use it for HTML, Python, or log files. It prints the content directly on your screen, fast and simple. 10th command, find, used to search for files or folders. Let's say you forgot where your file is. Just use this. Type find space dot space dash name space file name.txt. The dot means search from the current folder, and dash name tells Linux to look for a file by its name. It will search through all subfolders and show you the path. Super useful when your files are lost in a big project. 11th command, grep, used to search for words or patterns inside a file. For example, to find the word root inside a file, type grep-i space double quotes root double quotes space file name.txt. It will show all lines that contain the word root. The -I makes the search case insensitive, so it matches small root or capital root the same way. You can also use grep to search inside system files, logs, or even commands with a pipe. It's like a searchlight, fast, sharp, and powerful. 12th command, history, shows all the commands you've used before. Just type history. It shows a full list of your past terminal commands with line numbers. Want to search for something specific? Use the pipe and grep, like this. History pipe grep, sudo. You can replace sudo with any command, like su or touch. It's a great way to find what you did earlier without scrolling. 13th command, tree, shows the folder and file structure in a tree format. Just type tree, and it will display all files and folders in a branching style, just like a tree. It's useful when you want to see the full layout of your project or system. Try it once. It makes everything look super clear. And hey, if you're enjoying this series, please subscribe to the channel for more Linux tips like this. 14th command, df-h, shows your disk usage. Just type df-h. It shows all your drives and how much space is used and available. The -h stands for human readable, so the sizes are shown in GBs and MBs instead of just bytes. It's helpful when your system is getting full and you want to find out why. Don't forget to check this often on servers or low storage systems. 15th command, ping, used to test your internet or server connection. Just type ping space google.com. If you get replies your internet is working fine, you can also use it to check if a server or website is online. Press Ctrl+C to stop it. A quick and handy way to test network issues. And if you found this video helpful, please support the channel by liking and subscribing. It really means a lot and keeps the content going.